Alright, so you are thinking about buying the Realme Pad X in 2025. Maybe you have seen a few reels, maybe some reviews, maybe you are just tired of using a phone for everything, and you are wondering, is this budget tablet still worth it now? Like, can it actually handle everyday tasks? Is it good for college stuff, entertainment, maybe a bit of gaming? Or is just another Android tablet that looks good on paper but struggles in real life? Well, I have used the Realme Pad X long enough to give you the real answer. Not the marketing fluff, but what it's actually like to live with this device. So let's break it down, who should buy it, what it's good at, and what might disappoint you. Let's start with something important. Who is this tablet actually for? Because that determines whether it's going to be a great deal or total mismatch. If you're a student, especially someone who takes notes, reads a lot of PDF, watches lecture videos, or attend online classes, this thing fits right into your lifestyle. It's lightweight, big screen, loudspeaker, basically all the stuff that makes online study a bit more tolerable. Now if you're someone who just wants a media device, like binge watching YouTube, Netflix, or just reading books in bed, it nails that too. The display is big and bright enough, and the speakers, honestly louder than what you expect at this price. But, and this is important, if you're looking for a replacement of your laptop or you're expecting to run a high-end app, edit videos, or do heavy multitasking, this isn't it. It's not made for that, and that's totally fine as long as you know what you are buying. Talking about the specification, it features an expansive around 11-inch 2K LCD display with slim bezels and TUF certified low blue light protection, making it ideal for long hours of study or entertainment. Under the hood, it's powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 6nm processor paired with 4GB or 6GB RAM and 64GB or 128GB UFS 2.1 storage, expandable through microSD up to 512GB. It runs on Realme UI 3.0 for Pad based on Android 12, offering a clean tablet interface with split screen and multi-window support. The tablet houses a 7100 mAh battery with 33W fast charging, ensuring long-lasting uses with quick top-ups. For audio, it packs a quad speaker setup with Dolby Atmos, delivering an immersive sound for streaming and games. It also supports external pencil for writing and sketching with 4096 level of pressure sensitivity. On the optic front, it has 13MP rear camera and an 8MP ultra-wide front camera placed in a landscape orientation for better video calls. Connectivity features include USB Type-C, Bluetooth 5.1, dual bands Wi-Fi, and optic 5G support in cellular model. Weighing just 500 grams with a thickness of 7.1 mm, the Pad X is both portable and premium, making it a solid choice for anyone seeking a capable tablet under a budget. Now, performance-wise, let's talk real use, not benchmarks. For basic stuff like opening Gmail, replying to messages, editing Google Docs, switching between apps, or even running Zoom calls or Meet classes, it does really well. The Snapdragon 695 processor isn't top tier, but it's solid for daily tasks. You won't feel like it's dragging behind unless you are really pushing it. Gaming. You can run games like BGMI, Asphalt, and Genshin Impact. Just don't expect ultra settings. You'll have to keep graphics on medium or low to get smooth performance. But hey, for a tablet that costs this much, I'd say that is fair enough. Multitasking is decent too. You can do split screen with YouTube on one side and Notes or Chrome on the other. It's not lightning fast, but it gets the job done for study or casual work. One of the strongest points of this tablet is honestly the display and speakers. You are getting a 2K LCD panel here, and while it's not AMOLED, the colors are sharp and brightness is good enough indoor and okay outdoor if you crank it up. Watching Netflix on this is genuinely enjoyable. There is no weird color shift or dull tone, and the quad speaker setup with Dolby Atmos is loud, like really loud for this price. You don't even need earphones for casual watching unless you are in a noisy environment. Now coming to the battery, this is another area where it does well. I have easily gotten a full day of moderate use, browsing, watching content, a bit of gaming, and still had battery left. It charges over USB Type-C and takes about 2.5 to 3 hours for a full charge. So not super fast but manageable. But of course, it's not perfect. Let's be real here. First, the camera. It's okay for video calls, but the quality isn't great. You won't want to use this for photos unless it's an emergency. It's a tablet camera. Keep your expectations low. Second, while the performance is decent, it's not built for multitasking like a laptop. You might notice the occasional lag when switching between apps quickly or keeping too many things in the background. And third, this isn't an AMOLED screen. So if you are used to a phone with the AMOLED before, you will notice the blacks aren't as deep. That said, Unless you are a display geek, it won't bother you in a daily use. So, should you buy the Realme Pad X in 2025? If you are a student, casual gamer, or someone who just wants a simple, reliable tablet for media, study, or light productivity, yes, this is still one of the best budget Android tablet you can get. It's not overpriced, it delivers what it promises. You get a solid display, good battery life, decent performance, and even stylus support if you're into digital note or sketching. Just know what you're signing up for. It's not an iPad Pro, and it's not pretending to be, but for the price, it's smart and practical buy. If you got any specific question about the Realme Pad X, drop them in the comments. I will answer everything honestly. And if you found this helpful, give it a like and consider subscribing. I'll be doing more of these real world tech reviews soon. Thanks for watching.